To change Bernalillo County's animal control ordinance to keep a large animal research lab in business and its 1,000 jobs might not happen soon enough. News 13 has learned the lab is not the only group asking for change, and now county commissioners are overwhelmed. Crystal Gutierrez is in the Newsplex with that. Crystal?
Now, Dick, at first there were just about 5 changes to the ordinance to consider. Now there are about dozens, possibly too many to vote on in one meeting.
It's a passionate subject for folks.
And it shows. Animal advocates, pet owners, even county attorneys have put in their 2 cents about the county's animal ordinance. The biggest, Loveless Respiratory Research Institute, a large animal research lab wanting the ordinance to change to allow them to stay in business. County commissioners are expected to vote on the changes next week, but now.
The last I heard it was 30 amendments.
Commissioner Wayne Johnson has only thumbed through the draft, covered with more red ink than black, proposing changes like kennel size requirements, the number of walls each doghouse should have, height requirements for your fence, and the list goes on and on. Why so many amendments?
We've got our animal care director, Matt Pepper, is making suggestions to make it more enforceable along with county legal. We have commissioners adding various amendments, sometimes on behalf of different advocates. We have advocates sending in different ideas.
Johnson says even residents have sent in recommendations expressing what they think should be on the ordinance.
It's kind of a problem in that now I have no idea what the ordinance is going to look like.
An even bigger issue is an amendment to allow that animal research lab to keep using animals as test subjects. By the end of the year, the lab will be under county rules. At stake is more than 1,000 jobs. Johnson says voting on up to 30 amendments in one meeting would be hard and may not happen.
If I had to vote on it today, it would be very difficult to vote on it.
And Johnson says he's seen even more proposed amendments come through in the past few days. His big worry on voting on so many changes at once is that one amendment might contradict another. Back to you.
All right, Crystal. Johnson says while the lab will be under county jurisdiction by the end of the year, the county could still give it a temporary waiver if the ordinance they need is not modified by then.